Are you traveling to Costa Rica and you wonder what to pack for Costa Rica? Well, my name is Muriel. Welcome to the channel. I'm here walking on Playa Grande in Montezuma. And I have a very quick tip for you that makes life of packing so much easier. We're playing with the dogs in the ball. Pack hand luggage, and everything you need you can buy here, unless you're gonna go like on serious hikes and stuff. Of course, good shoes, but I swear 5-finger shoes are the best. Sarongs, like look what I'm wearing. This is a sarong I bought in the supermarket for 5,000 colones. It's like 10 bucks. It's light. I have a hat. I don't even use sunscreen because I believe sunscreen, the original sunscreen that everyone is selling in supermarkets, is toxic. If I use sunscreen, it's the natural stuff. But you don't need that much. I wear socks in the evening against mosquitoes. And look, we're playing around with the ball. And when I travel, so I live in Costa Rica, by the way. I made a couple of other videos about what to pack. If you're coming to Costa Rica, you can watch these other videos. But literally, I moved to Costa Rica with my husband and 2 growing up kids, with each 2 little suitcases and a backpack. And that was our whole life. So, and in there also a laptop, because that's why we're able to live here and to basically be anywhere, including Costa Rica. So just to inspire you, sometimes I'll see tourists, they are here for 2 or 3 weeks and they bring so much stuff that is way more than I brought when I moved here. So make life easier, travel light, buy what you need here. And if you wonder, do I need 1 sweater or 2 sweaters? In every bigger supermarket they sell sweaters, they sell jogging pants, they sell socks, they sell flip-flops, they sell sunscreen if you really want it, they sell mosquito spray if you want it, they sell hats in the supermarket for like 3 bucks. They sell everything here. So does that help you in your planning on Costa Rica? I hope to inspire you. Keep it simple is my motto, also in life and in business. If you wonder exactly how did I build my business, then feel welcome to click on one of the links below my video to learn more about my freedom lifestyle thanks to being a digital nomad. And looking forward to meeting you one day in Costa Rica. Bye for now.